Hi everyone, in front of me I've got WACOM MovinkPad 11 and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to find the apps. Then let's tap on see all 33 apps, of course 33 in my case, and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Then let's tap on Reset App Preferences, and here your device is informing you that it will reset all preferences for, among others, disabled app notifications and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps, and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.